Today, I'll show you how to become visible on Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to Settings, then tap Privacy. Here, look for the Go Invisible option. If it's turned on, switch it off so your profile becomes visible to other users while you're driving. After that, make sure you sign in to your Waze account. While using navigation, other drivers may be able to see your Waze icon on the map, depending on your privacy settings and current activity. Keep in mind that your visibility is only active while you're using the app, and Waze still provides privacy controls so you can choose when you want to appear on the map. That's all you need to do. Your profile should be now visible to other Waze drivers during your trips. And that's how to become visible on Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.